Okay, so welcome back. Now again we are going to solve this problem stick length. So what the previous video, what we have found this, we are supposed to solve it by like we can decrease the stick length or increase, but all of the stick length should be at the same length, should be the same length. So we can either increase it or decrease it. So let's, here we go. Where am I in this code? Okay. Equals to median, like what we have found. So y here we can consider 0. I is right. So no, so we can solve it like that. No, you are on the right track by sorting and finding the median. However, the while loop your version has a serious problem. Okay, so what's wrong? Then the condition Oh, sorry. Okay. Maybe I will go straight to we are not supposed to create one two and this is almost two. Now we can pass this here. We should instead of why. Okay. So now what we have to okay. So what we have to was 5 over 5. So yeah, we are using absolute value. So yeah, maybe I sorted it. One thing is worked on, like I was trying to count x, like how much I had increased it. So that was also correct, but not that was actually it was not correct because it gives a infinite loop. So that was not a correct program for this problem. So this is a best approach to solve this. Okay, so I don't think there is any use of long I can use here because from 10 to the power 9, and also here we can go to okay, if you use long run, so you will get a 4. So let's try to submit it. And here if you check the time limit is 1 second and memory limit. So if you check, I was taking input to the n and sorting it. Sorting is n log n and this is n. The space complexity is n log n. So n log n, and here I was storing the value in x. So yeah, and again, because you can, I was not, I am not calculating this, because you can skip the constant value. So let's check whether it is correct or not. Here is, what was the problem? Yeah, sticky then. Sticky. Why I am pronouncing? Oh, sorry, I am pronouncing it sticky. Is sticky lens. What the I was trying to do. Oh, Mayday. Okay. What the fuck is this? Okay. Zero. Okay, here. What very good things is using absolute value. This 111. You understand? I don't understand. Nobody is watching my live stream, I know, but I'm trying to speak, because if I speak more, or trying to explain it, so I will learn it by explaining by how by my own. So okay, this program is also done. Can I go to here? Okay, so let me first push it on a git repo. So what is the time right now? Okay, I will be pushing it at 12 or 12:1. I will wait for 1 or 2 minutes. What is the time right now?
It's 12 o'clock.
12. Okay. Now it is 12 RAM. So I can push it. Let me you will talk it or not. Yes, it's not directed. And then I can push it. Okay. And the first most important thing is that I am telling you from the starting, if you are also doing BSA, or if you are in your first year, like me, I am in the first year of my CSE, so BTech, and I am doing BSA, not doing BSA like I was doing since I was doing BSA to 20 or 30 days, but they started it 20 or 30 days before, but I was not consistent. So what I was told, I should make live stream always to track where I stand, and also I have made a repo on my GitHub profile for the CSES problem what I have solved. But the main thing is, like, CSES problem is from the competitive programming problem. This is not easy, like you can solve this problem like in brute force approach or anything. You need to understand about the STL libraries or many other things. So you can start this from the YouTube. Like me, I am starting from the YouTube, and now not actually I bought any course from any other website or anything. Like I'm learning from the YouTube and base for bits. ChatGPT helps me more to understand and come. If you see my history, then you can see and I am asking ChatGPT for when I was studying my DSA. Like here you can see I have provided my code and you will tell something and then he tell me some problem I was doing. Okay, so here we go. Last day we have contributed 4. I have made 4 contribution and today is 4th of July and 1 contribution. First, let me tell you my target. My target is to make all these boxes green, all these boxes. So I started from I think 13,000, but 14 I will skip and some of this I will continuously solving problems and posting on GitHub, contributing on GitHub since last 20 or 30 days. Last 20 days you can 20 or 23 days. I think solve this. So we can jump to the another question or we can start a new project because I have a new project idea for to get a internship after my 3rd semester or 4th semester. So if you all want to get an internship of paid, not non-paid, if you want to get a paid internship, so you have to make some project which is very important or which is like contributing or problem solving. So you can make any project for your college or for any student, any type of student. Like a student can use not like to-do list. Many of the students, what they are doing is they are making clone, website clone like Amazon, Flipkart. What the fuck they are trying to do that? Like what they can get? You bro, my thought is if you want an internship or anything, you are not going to you will be not get internship if you are only cloning the website and like making this stuff. So you have to solve a real world problem and at least make a sample project which is helpful, and at least 10 or 20 students can use this. Use your project. So interviewer or anyone can see your mindset, or anyone can give you the internship. So what I am doing, what I am trying to explain you, I am not clear. Although I am not clear because I'm also first year, second year student. I recently have completed my first year, and now I will be in second year in August. So yeah, I am also a senior. So if any fresher is listening to me, can take my approach or take suggestions from me, and you can message me on Insta or any maybe profile like LinkedIn or any other profile. I have already give my own ID and links in description, so you can check out. Here we have some problems we are trying to solve. This problem we have to solve. First, anybody want to tell? You can solve first. So, what is this playlist? I think this tower problem is from stack. Okay, yeah, stack. So we cannot solve it, but we cannot solve it now, but we can solve it later. So you can check playlist problem. What is this? Okay, so okay, here we are given a playlist of radio station since its establishment. Okay, I think it is a good problem. So what is since establishment? The playlist has total 10 songs. What is the longest sequence of successive songs where each song is unique? Longest successive sequence of successive songs where each song is unique. Think the length of longest unique song. Longest sequence of unique song. Okay, so here we have 3, 2. Oh, here we have 1, 3, 2, 7, 4. So if you count it, it is 5. So answer. Okay, I've got the idea. So first have to convert as the number of songs. If you sort it, what if we sort this? So it will be like okay. Oh, sorry, I was solving it on my paper. So, I need to solve it on this. Yes, my screen, so you all can see it. 3, 4, 7. No. So here you can see the problem is asking for the longest unique sequence of sounds. So here is 1 3 2 7 4. This is longest unique sequence. So then count it, how much it will be. It is 5. Longest number of sequence. Example, you can use the use 1 2. We can compare it like this. Units or string 1. I have to remember some concept from the earlier problem. Okay, so this can be solved like go from this like you can check if not equals to this one. Check it already. I then I plus 1. Oh, previous value. Then we ignore again. So this is the concept, like we can check either one is present before present in our previous vector or not. If it is present, then we can ignore all like this. 1, we will check one is present or not in our previous vector. So it will not present, so it will take 1, and 2 also. So to check, we will check 2 is present or not. So 2 is also not present, only 1 is present. So the 1 and 2, the longest here we can say the longest sequence of unique integer is 1 and 2. It is 2. Okay, so then we will proceed to again 1, which is present in our previous vector. So we can ignore all the value, like, but here we have 2. How much we have unique 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 integer before, we have two unique integer, 1 or 2, and again we are proceeding to 1. We have one which is not unique. The one is present in the present. One was the present in previous vector, so we can ignore or set our previous value to 0 or count to 0, and then we can start with 1 again, and we will check is 3 1 0, and we will check 3 is present or not 2 is present or not, because we are starting with 1, this one, not from this one. We are starting again from this one, not from that one, not from that one, not from that one. So you can think it like this: 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 is like deleted. So here we can say 1 and 3, 1 3 2 7 4, all is unique, all the values are unique. So you can count it. Let's try to solve it. VS Code. So here is the program. Okay, what is the program name? First play list. So here we go. Let's down this. I mean, the longest integer we can see it. Okay, so I have some solution. I will come from chat GPT. I have to use it. So yeah, I am solving. Let's see. 1, 2, numbers length 3, 2, 4, 5. Okay. The longest one is already 35. Now imagine we refresh 1, 2, 3. Bro, why I was like next to little. The correct idea is sliding window. Look at expand the window. Okay, so I'm learn some UTF-9 here. We have to use on our website. The time is 12:30. I cannot solve it in 10 or 20 minutes, so we are going offline now. So thank you for your support and watching. If you have any issue, then you can comment or you can connect with me and DM me.